Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Let's see our topic. Metric units of length. So objective to estimate and measure lengths within the metric system. We are learning metric system. Now, millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers. These are the four metric units that you are going to learn. So, what do you know? What's the meaning of length? It is the distance between the 2 points. We have to measure the distance between 2 points. Now, millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers, these are the metric units of length. Now, mm is the short form for writing millimeters. Cm is the short form for writing centimeters. M is the short form for writing meters, and km is the short form for writing kilometers. Now, let us see these units, how you will use and where you will use it. Now, this is your ruler, okay? And I'm going to draw this on the board. This is the ruler, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So these numbers that you see in the red, these are called centimeters. And the between numbers, you have a small lines. If you see properly, you can see small lines. Okay. These lines, they are called mm, which is millimeters. Okay. These are centimeters and these lines are called mm. Now, for measuring the small things, such as the thickness of this eraser, which unit you are going to use it? mm or cm? Since this is very small and tiny, I'm going to use mm. So starting from the first line, that's the 0, I will measure it. So if you see properly, it's not on the number 1, it's just before the number. So I'm going to use mm for this. Okay. Now, where will you use cm? Of course, bigger than mm, such as pencil. If I want to measure how long is this, I will put it on the first number properly. You have to be very careful when you are measuring anything. From the first line, that's the 0, and it's finishing what number? You have to see the number, and I think it's approximately 17. So the length of this pencil is 17, which unit? Centimeter. 17 centimeter is the length of a pencil. Now, if I want to measure the height of a chair, which unit you will use? Millimeters, centimeters, or meters for the chair or table or anything that's maybe bigger or longer one. I will use meters. Okay, to measure the bigger, I will use meters. Now, if I want to know the distance between my home to school or shopping mall, which unit will you use here? Of course, kilometers. If you have noticed properly, when you are traveling from one place to another place, you have boards on your sides, it's written there kilometers. How far is the distance from one place to another place? We cannot use mm, cm or meters. We have to use longer distance, kilometers. Okay. I hope you got the lesson. Thank you for watching my video.